You must stop it! This is better than Grok AI. In this video, I will show you how to use VEO 3.1 to create unlimited video, and it's free, no subscription.
What you need to do is just to head over to your Chrome browser. What you need to type here is Google VEO. When it's going to be taking you to this interface, you can see something like Google VEO AI powered. You can see another one that says Google VEO sign in. So we are going to be clicking on the second one. So after you are successfully signed in, you are going to be seeing something like VEO 3.1 new record upload template. So we are going to be working with VEO 3.1. So I'll click on this and it will land me into this interface, and this is how the interface looks like. So you have two options here. So when you click on this drop down arrow, this create from scratch means you have a prompt where you need to paste and to generate a video for you. Then you see this one that said animate an image. So this is when you have an image that you want to use and generate your video. So we'll be trying all of them, but first of all, let's try generate from scratch. Okay, I'll go ahead and click on that. So when you click on that, click here to choose your aspect ratio. I'll be using landscape, which is 16.9, since I'm making a YouTube video. So after pressing my prompt, I'll come right here and paste in my prompt. So if you need this exact prompt, just type prompt in the comment section and I'm gonna give it to you. Alright, so I've already chosen my aspect ratio, so this isn't necessary at this point. So I'll be clicking here to delete from here so that I will not get a different ratio. So what I need to do, just to go ahead and click here to generate, and our video will start generating. You can see this countdown here, so I'm going to pause this and I'm going to resume when this is done generating. Alright guys, so our video is successfully generated, so let's play this and see.
If it breaks containment, the entire sector is lost. You must stop it!
Yay! Alright, so this is super amazing. So if maybe I want to extend the length of this video, I just need to click here and press here to select new scene. Alright, so it's going to be adding to the one we already generated. So after clicking on that, if you want captions to display on your video, you can do everything you want on this website. So you can actually come here to choose your preferred style. Alright, so I'm gonna go ahead and click on the, then I say apply to all scene. So after that, you need to come to this place here where I say transition, because we want to add another scene. So I'll come here, you can choose any transition of your choice. So this is how it's going to show when this first scene is done playing. Alright, so I think I prefer this dissolve, so just do like that and another one will play. So for this, I actually need to copy my prompt again. So this time around, I don't have the full prompt, so I just want to paste in a different prompt here. So I'm just gonna, sorry guys, I'm just gonna go ahead and come right here. I don't know where my hand is always clicking this place, so I'll just click here and paste in the other prompt I want to use for my video generation. Alright, so let's click here to generate. So I'll pause this and resume later. So when you have successfully generated your video, you need to click on this insert so that this video will come to this larger interface. Alright, so let's wait. So as you can see, the length of this video has been extended. So this is how you can actually maintain consistency in character. Let's say if you want to create a dialogue scene, movie or storytelling, right, you need to be clicking on this plus sign here to be adding the scene, and you also add a transition to it, so that when this one finishes, people will not notice that this is where the video stop and you continue like this transition, just to make it look smoother and all of that. So let's play this and see. And if you are not cool with this generation, you can click here to recreate it. Well, since we actually have two scenes created together, you should have something like this.
Containment, the entire sector is lost. You must stop it!
here. So if actually there's any part you want to cut, can be clicking here to split it, and you drag this to the part you want to cut. So like this is just like an editing tool as well that can enable you to do a lot of things. All right, so let's go ahead and download this clip to my phone. All right, so that you are going to be having something. All right guys, so I forgot to show you guys how I downloaded this video, so let me click here to minimize. All right, so let's go back to this website. So after you are done with everything, you need to click on this drop down arrow where you see share. Then if you want to export to drive, you want to copy the link, you want to export to YouTube, then if you want to download as mp4, which is the one I use, click on download as mp4, and you went ahead and download your video. So let's try this other one, which is the image option, and we can actually animate an image. So this time around, we're not going to be clicking from the scratch. I'm going to click here, turn an image into photo. So I'll click here to add an image. So I don't really know if I have a better picture of myself on this PC, but let's then go ahead and click on this to bring in the video. All right, okay, this is what I want you to see, right? I will show you. So let me also go ahead and copy this. So let's click here to generate my video. So I'm going to be posting this. So whenever you paste in your code, always check this down part, because your video is generating. I will be posting that and resume later. So after generating, I'm going to be clicking here to add caption to my videos. I will just be clicking here to choose my preferred style. Let's play this and see. So let's check the last video we generated, which is animating my own photo. So let's come here, let's play this.
This is better than Grok AI. In this video, I will show you how to use VEO 3.1 to create unlimited video, and it's free, no subscription.
So guys, have you seen how perfect the lip sync and the hand gesture is? So let me know in the comment section if you actually find this helpful. Of course, I know. And trust me, I've generated like 4 videos on this platform, and I'm still going to be generating more. So let me know in the comment section if you'll be trying out this, and trust me, this is a game changer. All right, bye my loves, and I will be seeing you in my next video.